Hey, what's up?
I noticed a couple things here at the house, but it looks to me like maybe somebody burned out, you know, in the grass a little bit. Do you know anything about that?
I haven't had any cars out there. The old man's gonna kill me. I am messing up his grass.
Oh, you haven't?
I'm going through the tunnel. I can't hear you. He hung up. He hung up. What's up? It's Casey from Casey's Customs. I just hit 100K on YouTube, and I'm going to be giving a car away for free. But it's not these two. It's a 54 Chevy. Let's go check it out. We did it, baby. We hit 100K here on the channel. I'm so excited. Thank each and every one of you for hitting that subscriber button. 6 months ago, I think I was at 50K, and I said, hey, if I can get to 100K by the end of 2022, I will give away my 1954 Chevy. I did a traditional build on it here on the channel. It's a fun little build. We did several videos on it. Really, the subs didn't go up much after that, so I said, it's no big deal. You know, it's still a fun car. I'm glad I'll have it. Well, baby, it's been like a rocket ship the last couple months, and here we are. And it's time to give this thing away, but as you can tell, it's not in my shop right now. I got it up at my dad's, so let's go take a look at it. I'm gonna throw a new battery in it. I know the battery's dead. We're gonna take it for a little drive. I'll kind of go over it with you in case some people haven't seen it yet. And then I'm gonna need your help with helping me figure out how I'm gonna do this giveaway. The drawing process is a little bit trickier than I thought it was gonna be. So I'm gonna probably do a poll at the end of this video and you guys tell me how we're gonna do it. But for now, let's go check out the car. Let's go. Okay, I got everything we need all packed up. Got some tools to, you know, put the cameras where they need to be. Got our battery, all that fun stuff. Here's our problem. Look how filthy the 51 is. I mean, this is unacceptable. I was gonna wash it before I got there, but I'm realizing the 54 is probably gonna be just as dirty. So what we're gonna do is we'll just wash both of these up at the old man's house. Gosh, she's nasty. But all right, let's take off. Let's go up there. I haven't driven this thing in a while. Fires right up, baby. Why am I building boost? I shouldn't have boost right now. Oh, I don't have much boost. Okay. This is turbocharged, if you didn't know. I gotta put a headliner in this thing. Every now and then when you punch it and you feel the turbo kick in, it's kind of fun. Get that ass on the ground, baby. She looks so good. I'm so sorry that you're filthy. I was gonna try and carry all my tools and the battery down to the shed, but that would be stupid. So I'm gonna go steal a golf cart and bring the golf cart up here and then take them down. Also, we have a little bit of a situation. I think Dad broke the tail light in the 54, so we gotta go check out the damage. Before we go into the garage, is there anything cooler than this milk truck? Oh, this build is coming into the shop. I always say it's coming in soon, but it really is coming in hopefully pretty soon. We're doing a chassis swap on it. Oh, cleaning it out's a pain in the ass. That I hate. That's Dad's situation. I'm not a fan of that one. Yeah, that one can go away, but that one, oof. That's my baby right there. Well, I came in here. I was gonna steal the golf cart to go get my tools. And then I was like, oh, I'll steal the 51 Chevy, even better. I love this wagon. This is actually a 10 Woody, but he's got the wheels off and shit. And then look at this. Why on earth would you put the golf cart in front of the Harley when you play with the golf cart in the backyard? God damn it. I don't really want to move that very badly. Let's go look at the 54 real quick. There she is. The old man said he broke the taillight, and I'll be goddamn, he actually did break the taillight. So before we give this away, I'll put a new taillight on it for somebody. It's absolutely filthy. I feel horrible. Apparently he was backing in the tug-a-doo and ran into the taillight. And the funny thing is, I just moved the tug-a-doo and I almost did it again. So I can't be mad at him because I just about did it myself. Throw a battery in this, see what happens. This thing hasn't started or even tried to start in months. What is that? Oh! I forgot it has an electric fuel pump. That's good. We got brakes. We got brakes. Clutch is good. Make sure I'm out of gear. Uh-oh. Battery's not happy. I'm not out of gas, am I? Boy, that would suck if I'm out of gas. Come on, baby. Start breathing. Haven't even tried to start it in months. Let's see if I remember how to drive a 3-speed call. Oh yeah, baby, we gotta get these leaves off of here. Oh, that was a big bump. Oh, I just messed up the old man's yard. He's gonna kill me. That little barn out in the grass, baby. Oh, she wants to eat. She wants to go. Oh, shit. All right. We're getting a little too far away. I don't know how much gas is in it. Runs like a top. Oh no, this camera got all funky. Okay, so I just realized I did not bring my tripod. So we're gonna get her cleaned up. This one I'm getting clean just because it's filthy and I feel bad. This one I'm getting cleaned up, and then we'll do a little walk around so people who maybe aren't so familiar with this build can, you know, get accustomed to it. And then we'll probably take this one for another drive, just around a little bit, maybe in the yard, and then I'll go put it up back in storage. And then we'll go back down to my shop and talk about how we're gonna do the giveaway and all that fun shit. Ooh, she looks good. Brand new tires. Brand new tires on the old girl. All right, I gotta get these things cleaned. This one is so much more dirty than that one. Check her out. I cleaned it and dried it until I couldn't feel my fingers anymore. It is not as warm out as it looks, but she looks good. Looks a lot better than it did. So the build on this is a traditional build. Traditional build just means basically that it was put back together the way somebody would do it if they were building it in the 50s or 60s. So the brakes have been rebuilt with original parts, nothing really, you know, crazy aftermarket or anything like that. It has a new master cylinder in it, new brake lines, stuff like that. I put a new gas tank in it, new fuel lines, stuff like that, but we didn't go with anything crazy. Stock motor. I think I put a little bit of a bigger carburetor on it, but it's just a fun driving car. This is basically how you would get in this in 1965. This is how you would have built it, and you just get in and go. Has new windshield, new back glass. I have all of the side glass new too. I just didn't put it in. The seats are currently just, I think I got them tack welded in because I wanted to run a bench seat, but I couldn't find one. So I was going to end up pulling those out, and the back seat does not fit super great. The wiring is basically all done to run and drive, but I don't think any of the lights are hooked up yet. So she's still a little bit of a project, but it's 98% done. Runs and drives great. It was a lower mileage, rust-free car to start with. I have a build series here on YouTube, like I said, in case you're not familiar with it, and I have a bunch of footage of, you know, the frame up under there. Basically, the only rust on the whole car was a couple spots back here on the quarter panel, and then there was, I think, 2 spots on the floor that were small. We ended up replacing all those. So super solid original. And then we did a lowrider paint job. Can't remember. I think we used like 15 different colors, but looks super cool. I really like the patina look, you know, where it just kind of looks, it just looks like it's been sitting in a field, but then you have a, you know, really nicely painted roof that looks pretty awesome. She's definitely a fun car for somebody, and I'm anxious to give it away. So we take her for another little, you know, buzz around. Go lock up the shop, and then we'll go back to my shop and talk about how we're going to do the giveaway, why I need your help. Also, this whole girl did not look too bad either. We did a lace on this one, but we only did, I think, 2 colors. Light silver, dark silver, orange pearl, black. This one wasn't nearly as crazy as that one, but I love it. It matches the lines really well. I did this build here on YouTube as well. I actually built this car for under $3,500. It's a chassis swap, turbocharged, airbagged, 51 fleet line. These were, I think, 2 of my more popular builds this year on the channel. So it's nice to have them both together. Take this old girl for a drive one more time and go put it up. Also, I was not joking about the coldness. My nose is starting to run like hell. So it's gonna be a very quick drive. Good, baby. Okay, let's take a drive back down to the shop, and then, like I said, I'm gonna need your guys' help with this damn giveaway. So yeah, let's go. It is getting cold. It does not help that I'm soaking wet. That was nice to kind of go through the car, drive it a little bit. I haven't driven it in months. If you're new to the channel, maybe you haven't even seen it yet. Now you've seen it. If you're very familiar with the channel and you're not new, I still haven't had it on camera in a couple months, so it's fun to get it out. I said earlier, I need help with the giveaway. Some of you might be like, what do you mean you do giveaways all the time? The giveaways I do are a lot more controlled. You buy a piece of merchandise, and then I will, have 300 people that buy a piece of merchandise that we pick from. That's very simple. I'll have a set name and number. With YouTube, there is no set name or number. I originally thought there was whenever I started this. So I thought, you get to 100,000, I do a random number generator, 1 through 100,000. Let's say it comes up with number 2,000. I just go to, my 2,000th subscriber, they win. Well, YouTube doesn't break down that way. I do not have a name and number list like that. I can go through my list and see certain names. If somebody, Steve Johnson, asks a question, I can actually go through search names. Oh, here's Steve Johnson. He subscribed, 6 months ago or whatever. Here's the options I have. I'm not in love with any of them. I've talked to other people who have done giveaways. This is how they did it. DD Speech Up here on YouTube, he did one, and what he did was he had everybody email him. So if you want to win the car, email me. But when he did that, he got like 5,000 emails, and I think he did that at 50K. So just going with that, let's say I do everybody email me at 100K, that would be 10,000 emails. There's no way I will ever be able to go through 10,000 emails. I mean, if I did it that way, I might as well give the 54 away in 2027 because it's going to take me 5 years to go through 10,000 emails. So I don't love that. Another way I've seen a couple different people do, they said, was they did like a random scroll. So you take your list of your subscribers and you just randomly scroll through them and then click. You just click it at random, you don't see who you're doing. I'm not the biggest fan of that one. The other one, somebody said, just had a different person who was not connected with anything, have them pick one of the subscribers that they liked. So like I would take my wife or just a random person off the street. I don't love that either because that could kind of be fibbed, The big thing I want is I want it to be zero interest for me or whoever is doing the picking to give someone an unfair advantage. I don't like that. The way I do my normal giveaways, it's all random number generator. I love that because there's nothing I can do to change it. I hit a button, it shoots a random number up there, that's the winner. I've always done it and I love that. Last option, which is kind of what I'm leaning toward, is a random name generator. Hey, what's up?
I noticed a couple things here at the house.
Okay.
And I noticed that you left your pair of glasses that are on the table, so you must have been here. But it looks to me like maybe somebody burned out, in the grass a little bit. Do you know anything about that?
I haven't had any cars out there. The old man's gonna kill me. I am messing up his grass.
Oh, you haven't? And then we kind of noticed noticed that Mom had some antique dish towels
Oh,
that she bought.
I don't know
And,
I don't know anything about those either.
Those, it looked like those got dirty pretty bad. You know anything about that?
Maybe it was my sister, Vanessa. Maybe it was Vanessa. She could.
You think did that?
Were they my sunglasses by chance?
Yeah, your sunglasses.
Well, here's
your Diet Coke.
here's the
Anything about that, son?
here's a good thing. It's winter, so grass grows really well this time of year, so it'll come right back.
Oh, you know that new grass seed I put down? Okay. Just checking.
I'm going through the tunnel. I can't hear you. He hung up. He fucking hung up. So those wash rags I was using in the time-lapse footage, I don't know if you can see it real well. Those are apparently some antique wash rags my mom has had for like decades. It just looked like a normal, it just looked like a wash rag to me. I didn't think anything of it. It did have like some decorations on it. And I was like, I use those to dry the car off. That's not good. She's not real happy about that at all. God damn it. Last option, which is kind of what I'm leaning toward, is a random name generator. It works the same way as a random number generator works, except it picks names. So I'll type in random first name, it pops up Steve, type in random last name, Johnson. So then what I can do is go through my subscribers and find a Steve Johnson. He wins the car. None of these I am absolutely in love with. Random name generator, I'm kind of leaning toward. It might be the way we go. But like I said, please let me know. Let me know in the comments what you guys think we should do. Let me know what you want to do. I'm down for whatever. If it's a good suggestion, I'm ready to go. Now, comes to shipping. I will not be paying for shipping. I never said I would. I'm already giving away a car. I can't afford to give away shipping as well. I'm in the Midwest. If somebody in California wins, that could easily be $6,000 in shipping. So I'm not gonna, give away a $5,000 or $6,000 car and then pay $5,000 or $6,000 shipping. Shipping is completely up to the winner. They want to do however they do it. I will help out any way I can. I'm just not paying for it. If you are overseas, yes, you can win. If somebody from Australia wins, they can absolutely get it. They just have to pay for the shipping. They have to do all the figuring out of the ship. I will help it get on a trailer, but that's about it. That's all I'm gonna do. So I had a couple people say, I want to win a car, but if I do win, I just want cash. I'll definitely work that out with somebody. If somebody just wants to, take this opportunity and, get a nice little check from it, I completely understand that. I'm okay with that. If I do, for some reason, end up buying it back, I'll do a regular giveaway on it where we do on the channel where you buy a sticker, you're entered to win, just the more traditional way we do giveaways here. Hopefully this answered some questions. I asked some questions that I need help with. Please let me know what you guys think. I'm ready to do it. I do all of my drawings live because I do not want there to be any funky editing or anything like that. So I'll end up doing a live drawing whenever we figure out how we're gonna do it. Just stay tuned for updates. I usually do those on Facebook because whenever I go live on YouTube, it seems to have all kinds of issues. Facebook, I almost never have any issues with when we go live. I do all my live drawings over there. If you do want to watch, go over there. But I will always make updated posts about when I'm going to be doing that. Whether it's a community post here on YouTube or I say it outright in another video. But I would recommend following me on Facebook, Instagram, hell, even TikTok, because I will make those announcements on other apps other than YouTube. I'm sure I'm going to have other questions coming up. That is it for now, though. If you are not already subscribed, please hit that button now. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, comment, all that good stuff I tell you at the end of videos, and check out some more of my other videos. Peace. Love ya.
All of my attention I've been giving to you. Caught up in my